Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration features on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Sound. Then select Vibrate Full Calls. Over here you can pick one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it and go back. Now you can scroll all the way down, choose advance and scroll all the way down again. But this time click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, or touch vibrations to enable or disable those vibration features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!